Urging to the parents anyway of CDIFI, do not enroll in that school anyway, because I know I was dropped out. Because I know the CDIFI are pro Marcos loyalists. Just like I said, dahil ako na-kick out dyan, that's why I know I was dropped out. Na-drop out na ako. I said, Teacher Evelyn Kaka, I will not going to forgive you for what you have done. Because I was kicked out. I was dropped out. You remember Kiko Bersaga? He was dropped out in Lasal, in Imos. While me, I was dropped out. I was kicked out in CDIFI. Why I was kicked out? Because I know this is the reason I want to tell a story anyway last 2016. I'm the one who gave a letter to Teacher Ivy to be replaced of Teacher JD. Because that is a request from Sir Paulo Cuba. Sir Paulo Cuba said to me, he wants another teacher in CDIFI. But I understand Sir Paulo Cuba. Because I know what he said to me at the time. He wants Teacher JD. I don't know where is Teacher JD right now, but I have no comment about in her Facebook or Instagram. Teacher JD, by the way, I never comment her in Instagram because I never talk with Teacher JD. I never communicate with Teacher JD because I know Teacher JD, that was best friend of Paulo Cuba. I never say, for example, this is the lesson to Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher May Tiburcio and Ate Emily, do not claim that Teacher JD was my girlfriend. She is my best friend. Why you say love? Love your best friends. It's not matter what I'm saying. I've been close friends with Teacher JD. Teacher JD was my best friend. I have lots of best friends. Not girlfriend, not boyfriend. No. First of all, I don't start girlfriend yet. Because I know Tatay Arnold says to me, do you have a girlfriend? I said no. Rejected, no. Why I say no? I don't have a girlfriend. But for me, I start single. Because I told to Shanhaya Kiana, when I talked to her in TikTok Live, I was the host there. Nobody to have a boyfriend and girlfriend yet. Because it's always to be single. You know that. At least Teacher Marisa is single. Nobody makes a relationship. But this is the one thing I could say to everyone. Everyone are single. Especially to Teacher May Tiburcio. Always saying about what they said before. She always reprimand me that I message Teacher Gio Malana, Teacher Vincent Ramos. I never intention to message them. Of course, Ate Rona heard it, but at this time, I never message Teacher Vincent, Teacher Gio Malana. No. You're always making mistaken accusations. Like you, Teacher May Tiburcio. When I introduced to Prince Gun's friends in Instagram, I always to be follow. I always introduce my name. Like you, Teacher May Tiburcio, you are a Marcos loyalist and you are a idiot. Oh, everyone hates you. Oh, like others. Oh, they hate. They really hate you. Oh, that's not good. Like me, I say again, everyone have a good relationship. All right, everyone. Like just for example, my friend Kenta-san. Kenta-san is single. Oh, he doesn't have a girlfriend. Oh, at least I know Kenta-san. He follow me in TikTok. Oh, I have lots of TikTok friends I follow. Oh, me and Wari ng Kram, we're single. Miss Earth Thailand 2024. And we are good friends. We're not close relationship. Yo, Teacher May Tiburcio, don't be such rude to other people. When I talk to the people, I talk to the people. Oh, wag ka kasi bastos, Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, this is what I criticize you. You're just like Kuya Kopio. That's why everyone are rude. Oh, everyone say people there are anti-Marcos. Oh, Denzel Joshua says there are people who were anti-Marcos. Like I say again, Kuya Kopio and Teacher May Tiburcio, both of you, wag kayong maging bastos. That's why some people who were Marcos loyalists who were very bully. Like me, I bully Teacher Kel. Oh, like me, I bully Teacher Vincent Ramos and Teacher Gio Malana. Oh, like me, I bully, who is it? Teacher Jessa Fernandez. Oh, even her husband, Sir Calvin Cuevas. That's not good. If Sir Calvin Cuevas and Teacher Jessa Fernandez are anti-Marcos, they have their own opinion. Adam Juari is an anti-Marcos. Even Teacher Ruth Ibarrientos, anti-Marcos, and Dave Micaelgo, one of friend of Denzel Joshua in Multiple Intelligence, who were anti-Marcos. Oh, they are anti-Marcos, I swear. Oh, Shania Kiana, anti-Marcos. J. Rick Silva, anti-Marcos. Atelot, Jens Manaid are anti-Marcos. Me, I'm anti-Marcos. You, Kuya Kopio, and Teacher May Tiburcio, both of you are pro-Marcos. And you saying about Bongbong Marcos, Bongbong Marcos. Everyone hates Marcos. Some kids outside, tingnan mo nga mga bata, anti-Marcos. I remember Onyok, I remember RM. Tingnan mo sila, anti-Marcos. Oh. Buba, oh, anti-Marcos. Everyone are anti-Marcos. It's not feeling bad, like I said, oh. We love Bongbong Marcos, we love Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Everyone hate Marcos, alright? Tito Mac is an anti-Marcos because he doesn't like Bongbong. Oh, because Bongbong Marcos is an ally of Zelensky, Vladimir Zelensky, because they want to provoke Russia, the ally of Rodrigo Duterte, even Vladimir Putin. Everyone hate Marcos. Kuya Kopio, Teacher May Tiburcio, wag kayong maging bastos. That's why I apologize to Teacher May Tiburcio's family member. I never say I threatened to kill her. I'll be like Sara Duterte. I said, patayin si Martin Romualdez, patayin si Lisa Araneta Marcos. You know, Teacher May Tiburcio, you will be reflected yourself. I always criticize you. You're the one who scolded Paula Nunez. Bastos ka. That's why You know, Paula is an anti-Marcos. Why Paula is an anti-Marcos? Oh, her mother, Tita Sita, is a victim of Marcos Sr. martial law. Is this what you like? You say, Bongbong Marcos, Kuya Copio, and Teacher May Tiburcio? Ha? And you, Kuya Copio, when I bring a bottle of water, when my mom and dad or bring lemon in a dog hotel, when before we go to Japan, why are you saying that Bongbong Marcos? Oh, why are you saying Ferdinand Marcos Sr.? Why are you saying hindi mauuwi si Duterte mo? You're so rude, Kuya Copio. You're so rude to the senior citizen, Rodrigo Duterte. Rodrigo Duterte is older than Tatay Delpin. Rodrigo Duterte is older than Teacher Julie and Mommy Ellen. Oleya. Oh, you remember Teacher Julie? She was born 1945. She's a new principal of CDIFI. She was replaced by Teacher Evelyn. Rodrigo Duterte is 1945. She is older than Teacher Julie. Is this what you treating the elders and senior citizen? Hindi makakabalik si Rodrigo Duterte? Respect the senior citizen. Respect the elders. I respect the elders. Nanay Banji is 76. Oh, she is senior citizen. Rodrigo Duterte is older than Nanay Banji. Oh, I respect Nanay Banji. Oh, Nanay Banji gave me corned beef na sinigang. Oh, sinigang na corned beef. Gusto mo ang sinigang ng corned beef? Oh, that's what she offered to me. And I respect the senior citizen. For example, I respect Nanay Ningning. Nanay Ningning is a senior citizen. She was born 1955. She's older than Amy Marcos. Oh, she's older than that fake president, Bongbong Marcos. Oh, why Nanay Ningning? I respect her. I respect her because she wants to go to Baguio. Oh, she holding my hands when I was there in Baguio. I always holding her. Oh, I'm not rude to Nanay Ningning. Both of you, Kuya Copio, Teacher May Tiburcio, both of you are rude to Tatay Digong. Both of you are very rude of my idol, Rodrigo Duterte. Both of you, makapakabastos kayo. Mga walang yak kayo. You know, this is really happening in the Philippines because of corruption of Bongbong Marcos and Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Why I arson that Philippine Children's Medical Center? I arson it that Marcos Sr. project, even Philippine Lung Center, even Philippine Heart Center, even NLEX and NLEX North Luzon Expressway were Marcos Sr. project. I arson the Bataan Nuclear Power Plant of Marcos Sr. Oh, I boycott all the Marcos Sr.'s project. I boycott it. Even I boycott San Juanico Bridge. I boycott it. LRT, I boycott it. Oh. This is what you like, and then you say Marcos. I don't care about Marcos because I know I arson the CDIFI because they are That's a project of Marcos Sr. I am angry at Marcoses. Just like I remember when I was told by Teacher Vincent Ramos, ang sabi niya, walang solid north. That's all.